So before jumping to any code, right? First, we should have a repository. We call it as a repository or anything. We should have somewhere to store our code, right? So we have a system. In the system, we might be having a hard disk, either SSD or whatever it is, right? It's just hard disk. There is some place where we are storing a code. It's called as a physical place. Then GitHub also has its own cloud storage. Cloud storage, again, it is a physical storage. It doesn't store in any cloud, okay? It's just a physical storage via internet. We connect and we go. Now, I want to sign up, okay? Let us sign up. This email is already exist, right? So then this is my mail ID. I don't know the password. I just want to send password to reset. Okay. I got an email. I'm just resetting my password. Okay. Now done my reset. Now I will start logging in. Save. Is asking device verification code. Then setup of device verification code. Check this one. Send authentication code. Gmail. Okay. 1 minute. Code. 6. Okay. So team, first what you guys need to do, please all set up your GitHub account. Okay. So in the github.com, who doesn't have till now, anybody doesn't have any code or anything, right? So please create it. Okay. So I will start creating multiple repositories or a single repository where we will have all the code. Okay. I will be creating once if you guys need an access, right? So you have to request me so that I will provide all the sessions, what we are going to take, what we are going to cover, all those things we will push to this repository. Okay. This create repository. Okay. So now see, you guys need to learn the Git. So how many of you know Git or not? I will not ask this question now. I will explain some basics of Git, right? What is Git? What is Git init? How to do all those things. We'll do some examples. Okay. First, what I will do, I will take this one and I will set up in my local system. Okay. Let me share my entire screen so that you guys will all understand what I will be doing. Okay. I already installed Visual Studio Code, right? So in our sessions or in our any classes, I will ask you guys all install Visual Studio Code in your system. Okay. So now I will open the terminal. You can open the terminal by clicking here also. Through the command lines also you can open, right? What I'm going to do, once I have created a repository, right? I want to initiate my Git. Okay. So I will just copy this command. I'm inside here. I'm initiating my Git, right? I have initiated the Git now. Initialization of Git repository is done here. So if you can see, it has created a .git also. Okay. And it has created a git ignore, right? Then I will add one file here. Whenever I create, it will add a file. Okay. Explorer. Didn't add any file. So spot is not right. Okay. So then I will go and I will create, right click here. I will create read me.md. Okay. Now I have added some information here, some text content, right? Then we have to go and commit. There are different type of commits are available. -m, minus capital M, all those things also I will try to explain. Commit is basically what we are doing. Any changes, right? If I need to know the changes, there is a command called as git status. So this git status will tell if any new files are there or any changes which I have done, right? We need to include it. Okay. Without this command, we cannot include anything. Now what I will do, git add space dot. If I do git add space dot means all the new files, whatever we have created, it will add all. Dot means it will add all the files. Okay. Then let us go and type git status. In the git status, you guys can see before it was in red color. Now it is in green color, means I have added to Git in my local Git. It is not till it is not yet pushed to my remote. Correct? I
Hello, sir.
hi.
Sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ screen zoom ಮಾಡಿ sir.
Head to zone. Is it better now?
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Thanks, Sujan. So I will zoom a little bit more so that everybody can see. Okay. So previously, when I checked the Git status, I was having a two files. Then what I have done? I have added git space add space dot. Git space add space dot will add all the new files to my local. Okay. Then I will check git status. Means I have added, but I need to commit. Okay. How we can commit? Git commit minus m is also there, minus am is also there, minus m is also there. Do not get confused with this. Hello. Okay. Directly go and commit minus m. This is the format. Okay. These are commands which we will use in our real life also in anywhere in all the organizations. This is a mandatory. Now what I'm doing, I'm just typing first commit. Okay. Now I will go and check git status. When I check my git status, it is showing by default branch and all. I will explain what are the branch concepts and all in some time. Okay, just let us do some push now. Okay, now what we will do, I am going to change my branch. I am going to change my master branch to main branch. If I do it, I have changed master to main here, right? Minus M means I am forcefully changing master to main. You guys can see here left side, the branch. You no need to go and check git status every time. Okay, we can check here what is which branch I am. I will explain the concepts of branch also in some time. Okay, we'll cover entire git operations. Majority we will try to cover. Okay, then I need to add my remote branch also, right? How do I know my remote, whether it is exist or not in the code? Okay, see, I do not have any remote, right? These are the commands to know if any remote is there or not. Now what I'm doing, I will go and add my remote. Okay, see, previously when I entered this command, it was not showing anything. Now when I entered this command, after adding remote, these are my remote it is showing. Okay, why it is showing two means, one is for fetch. Fetch is something like we are pulling the data to fetch the data from the server. This is what the URL we need to use. Push means whatever the changes we have done, I need to push that information to Git. So it's called as a push. Okay. Now I'm just following what the command is there, right? Okay, git push minus u origin main they are giving. Just take this one. I will explain what it does. Okay. So I'm refreshing again here. I do not have any code here, correct? So what I will do, whenever I'm pushing, minus u means entire code first time we are pushing to that main branch. When I do this one, okay, now I have not signed in using Visual Studio Code. I have signed in directly in the browser. Okay. When I click allow, I need to authorize, right? So I need to tell to Visual Studio Code authorize, correct? I'm just authorized now. Okay. So now I have authorized, right?